Hey Sarah, how are you? Long time since we met.
Oh yeah, it's really been time.
So how's your life?
Pretty cool. What about you?
I'm enjoying the fall with my hubby and kids.
You know what?
What?
I'm pregnant.
What? Are you nuts? You are not even married. Do you even told your parents? I know you must have not. But I'll tell them you are just gone crazy.
Oh. I was just joking, girl. Do see me fat? You are just going hyper for stupid things.